I've been associated with Bond Solon for a long time, almost since inception. At a time when expert witnesses were fairly rare, let alone getting them accustomed to giving evidence, because it's one thing to have it up there, it's quite another thing to communicate it in a presentable and intelligible way. I think the importance of certificates for people who've been on the job for a long time, some of them, including myself, you have to sometimes sit back and think, have I got it right? Am I still doing it right? Things have developed around you. So you need to go back to the drawing board, start again and re-examine how you do your reports, how you undertake or be subject to cross-examination. Do you know the law and the procedure? And therefore, at a point in your career, you do that, you actually do the reappraisal, means that you don't rest on your laurels. That's the advantage of Bond Solon training, because you're brought up to date.
The certificates for me meant a great deal, both personally and professionally. I've got a lot of pride about having the Bond Solon CUBS qualification. It's enabled me to ensure that I'm very professional in my report writing, to ensure that I'm giving the court the best report possible. And it's meant that the professionalism that I hold in my own work and in my own field as a dentist, I can then transfer over to my report writing, and that it's given me the confidence to do that.
When an expert witness has been properly trained, it saves time, they know what they're doing, they know how to write a report, it assists the court, it assists the judge, and it assists the solicitor and their client ultimately. And so justice is done more effectively.
When I decided to do expert witness work, I realised it was a whole different area from my usual comfort zone. It was outside my normal box. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do this properly. And so I did the whole course, and it taught me how to write reports in a different way, taught me how to be under cross-examination, know the barrister's tricks, know what's required of you as an expert witness. And I can tell you from reading a lot of reports that I have to look at when I'm doing cases, it's quite clear who knows how to write a report and who doesn't. So the certificate is a result of that, and it's given me confidence and I think credibility.
The Cardiff University Bond Solon Expert Certificate is the gold standard of expert witness training, and solicitors will see that on a CV or in a directory and think, this expert knows what they're doing.